Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we'll be making a fresh and delicious Mexican style shrimp ceviche. The ingredients needed are 2 pounds of diced raw cleaned shrimp, 1.5 cups of squeezed juice from 7 lemons and 3 limes, 2 peeled and diced cucumbers, 3 diced Roma tomatoes, half a medium diced purple onion, 1 bunch of chopped cilantro, 1 diced Serrano pepper, 2 avocados, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of Maggie sauce, which is optional, 3/4 of a cup of Clamato juice, Tapatio hot sauce, and 1 bag of tostadas. First, grab a large mixing bowl and add the raw shrimp, along with 1.5 cups of lemon and lime juice, and add half of the chopped onions, and mix it together. Then, add 2 tablespoons of Maggie sauce, 3/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix together and let it cook and marinate in the fridge for about 1.5 to 2 hours, until the shrimp has turned into a light pinkish color. Many of you are probably very skeptical as to how will the shrimp cook in the lemon and lime juice. Whenever you add any type of citrus to raw shrimp, the citric acid in the lemons or limes break down the proteins in the shrimp and prepares the meat for consumption, turning the flesh into an opaque pinkish color and destroying all the harmful bacteria. If you don't feel comfortable using raw shrimp, you can use cooked shrimp and marinate it with all the same ingredients for about 20 minutes. After 2 hours of marinating and cooking, you can now see how the shrimp has turned into an opaque pinkish color, which means it is now ready to eat. Many people marinate their raw shrimp for about 15 to 30 minutes max, but I like to marinate and cook my shrimp for about 2 hours. Now you can go ahead and add 3/4 of a cup of Clamato juice, along with all the chopped vegetables, and mix it all together. Your ceviche is now ready to serve. You can enjoy this with your favorite hot sauce, even add a squirt of ketchup, avocado, and eat with tostadas or even tortilla chips. Enjoy! Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.